Dear student, today we will discuss about control panel of Windows. Here control means manage and panel means dialog box. Basically control panel provides number of inbuilt programs to manage the software as well as hardware devices that may have installed or has to be installed. Through computer control panel, we can change the setting of various programs like date and time, taskbar and start menu, mouse and sound. But in this session, we will go for demonstration of date and time settings. So without wasting time, let's go to the computer screen. To get the control panel, just click on start button. Here you see start button. Clear? Start button. Click on start button and you see control panel is here. Click the control panel. Okay, then your control panel screen will be appear. Okay, my dear student. Now one thing you remember, here category view will come by default. Category view, this one category view. In category view, all programs will be not seen in one screen. So what you have to do, here you click down arrow button, then after you choose large icons, so you can see all the program in one screen of control panel. Clear? Okay, here you see date and time programs is present. Here you see date and time program is there. See date and time, and today we will discuss about date and time only. We will give demo on date and time. So click the date and time. You will see a dialog box of date and time. Okay, this is called date and time dialog box. Inside date and time dialog box, there are 3 tabs. What are those? Date time tabs. Clear? Another one, additional clock tabs, and then internet time tabs. Now we will go for date and time tabs. Inside date and time tabs, related commands are present. For instance, change date and times. Here this command button will allow us to change the date and time. Change the date and time only. Just click on this command button. You see date and time setting came. Inside date and time setting, here month and year is going to disclose. If you want to change the year, then one click, second click, then years will be appear. You choose the year that you want to set, then after month will come, change the month as you want, then date also you can change. After that, don't forget to click OK button. If you click OK button, then date, here you see date is changed. Here is showing no Thursday, February 18, 2021, like that. But this is wrong. This is wrong date. So again you can change it to current date. How? Again choose the change date and time. Again click. It is taking, my dear student, little time. Again you click in this part. Here again year, choose the year, correct one, 2020. Now choose the month. Which month is going? June is going on. So click June. Then day, what is the day? Today Thursday means 4th. Today Thursday means 4th. Okay, then press OK. Again you see your time is changed, date is changed. Clear? Like that. If you want to change time, then what to do? Again you go to change date and time. Here time is there. Here you can see time is going on. You want to change hour, click on the hour area, and here spinner is there. Change up arrow, down arrow, spinner button given. You click off to increase the time, and down arrow to decrease the time. Okay, then minute is given here. Click on the minutes, increase or decrease as per your need. Okay, then after PM AM is given, you can go for PM or AM. Like this you can change the time, date and day. But hour is wrong, so I am going to change now 3. Okay, then press OK, and don't forget to press OK at last, otherwise date and time will be not changed. Okay, I am pressing OK. You see our date time is changed. Now another things, again in date and time, again we'll go for changing time zone. Time zone is there, here date and time, here change time zone command button is given here. You see, when we click time change time zone, then what will happen, it will show the time zone here. What is right now, which zone time is giving, showing, see, Chennai, Calcutta, Mumbai, New Delhi. If you want to change, you can change to any other continents. So suppose you have gone to Kathmandu, and in your laptop you want to change the time as Kathmandu zone. Clear, here Kathmandu is there, click it, press OK, time will be changed, time zone will be changed. Next, again you want to come back, if you have come back to India, again you can change your time zone.